Welcome to the Tech Architect. My name is Imran Ashraf and you are watching Windows 10 tips and troubleshooting video series. This is the fourth video of the series, and in this video we will discuss how we can dictate our documents in the Word. Viewers, how it looks like if you dictate your document instead of typing. Uh, Yes, this option is available nowadays. Although you could type your documents in old-fashioned way in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote, but why not dictate the text instead? Whether you have disability, medical conditions, or looking to save some time, Microsoft dictating tool is available to help you this work done. If you can't find the dictate button, like this button in the home tab of the MS Word, uh, it means this feature is not available in that version of your Office. Like if it's so far it is available only for Microsoft 365 subscribers. If you have a subscription for Office 365, launch the MS Word and open the document and position the cursor you want to dictating. Click the dictate button in the home ribbon. That is, if you see here in the screenshot, the first time you do this, Word may ask your permission to use your microphone, grant the permission to start the speaking. So let's start this in the MS Word. If you see, this is the home tab and this is the dictate button. I already have available. If I click this to dictate this, so you can use this. How to use dictation? Now we will see how we can use this. Click on this mic. As the dictation lets you use speak to text to author content in Office with the microphone and reliable internet connection. It is quickly and easy way to get your thoughts out, create drafts or outlines, and capture notes. Let's have a demo. Viewers, you just notice what I have spoken. It just type here. And if we start new line and start the new paragraph, let me start. Like I also include punctuations. Let's start. Full stop. It type the full stop. New line. It switch over the new line, like it's pressing enter. And all these options are available to dictate your document. Like if I say comma, question mark, sign of exclamation, new line, colon, semicolon, whatever you want. Let me minimize this, and again comma, new line, semicolon, question mark, new line, hyphen, new line, sign of exclamation, exclamation mark, left open brace, left close brace, new line, open quotes, open quotes, open quotes, close quote. Viewers, you can see all this. What I am asking, it's typing, it's dictating, it's listening in the listening mode. And if I click, this is in listening mode and this is in mute mode. So all the options are available. If I go to if I want type some currency, let's dollar sign, dollar sign, pound sterling sign, euro sign, smiley face, winky face, new line, heart emoji. Viewers, you just notice that whatever I am asking, it's typing, and this is what we can do in this in the Microsoft Word. Like again, let's start. In listening mode, percent sign, plus sign, multiplication sign, division sign, equal sign, less than sign, greater than sign. Use this how we can this is how we can type, dictate our document and type without the help of the keyboard, and just speak whatever you want and it will be typed. Because we can also edit and format our document. Let's try to format. If I say undo, it will undo the last action. Undo. Delete this. Because I don't know what's wrong with this, why it's not undoing. However, we can use these commands to undo for editing. And for the next thing is, if we want format our document, like if I want to bold, let's see, bold this, but it's typing instead. It's typing. Why it's typing, I don't know. Like if we start new start list, the for next thing, start list, start numbered list, it should be typing here the bullets and numbers. Why it's not working, I'm not sure what's wrong with it. I need to do some troubleshooting. Because these are all the symbols. You can also speak and it will be typing. So this is all about how we can dictate our document in Office 365. Because if you have learned something new, please subscribe and share this channel, and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend, and feel free to ask any question if you have. Please type in comments. Thank you for now.